Want to know more about the Porsche 911 GT2 RS? Well, you came to the right place. The 911 GT2 RS is split up into three categories: lightweight design, power, and drivability. Lightweight design. With the air conditioning and PCM delete, you lose 19 kilograms. Lightweight Gorilla Glass saves 3.5 kilograms. Carbon front lid 2 kilograms. Lightweight carpet and cable harness 3.3 kilograms. Magnesium roof 1 kilogram. Carbon hinges 0.8 kilograms. Carbon wing 2.2 kilograms. Rear seats delete 9.6 kilograms. Full carbon bucket seats 14 kilograms. Carbon intercooler shrouds and air intakes 1.4 kilograms. Carbon rear deck lid 0.9 kilograms. Titanium muffler 7.5 kilograms. Front and rear apron end. Lightweight polyurethane 2 kilograms. And rear wheel drive as opposed to the all-wheel drive system in the Turbo S saves 50 kilograms. If you option the WISAC package, a carbon roof with painted stripes saves 0.5 kilograms, a titanium roll cage 9 kilograms, carbon fiber stabilizers or anti-roll bars and coupling rods 5.3 kilograms, carbon gear shift pedals 0.2 kilograms, a lightweight carpet with cutouts 0.2 kilograms, and forged magnesium wheels save 11.5 kilograms. This is the carbon fiber stabilizer or anti-roll bar and coupling rods that save 5.4 kilograms if you option the WISAC package. The intercoolers are held up by these carbon brackets that save 1.2 kilograms. For the rear deck lid, the hinges are made from carbon fiber to save 0.8 kilograms. This is the rear titanium muffler which saves 7.5 kilograms. On the WISAC package, there is a carbon fiber roof which saves 0.5 kilograms compared to the magnesium roof and 1.3 kilograms compared to an aluminum roof. Continuing with the WISAC package, the titanium roll cage saves 9 kilograms compared to a steel roll cage. Lightweight magnesium wheels save 11.4 kilograms compared to aluminum wheels, which significantly reduces the rotating unsprung mass. In the interior, carbon fiber gear shift pedals and steering wheel trim save 0.2 kilograms compared to the aluminum variant. Power. The 911 GT2 RS is powered by a twin-turbo 3.8-liter flat-six engine with a power output of 700 metric horsepower or 515 kilowatts and 750 newton-meters of torque. This engine uses variable turbine geometry turbochargers and has a redline of 7,200 RPM. Here is a dyno chart of the engine where you can see a very flat torque curve and a linear increase in power as the RPM increases. Even though the GT2 RS engine is based on the Turbo S motor, it has many improvements that make it an RS car. This new motor has a modified crankcase, bespoke pistons, bigger turbochargers, multi-tube air filters, enlarged air ducts, a high-performance cooling system, and a titanium sport exhaust system. The GT2 RS uses two variable turbine geometry turbochargers with larger turbine and compressor wheels compared to the Turbo S. The GT2 RS has a 67mm compressor and a 55mm turbine compared to the smaller 58mm compressor and a 48mm turbine on the Turbo S. The Sport exhaust system features an exhaust manifold optimized for flow with a 25% enlarged cross-section. An integrated catalytic converter comes straight after the outlet of the turbocharger and is V-banded together. These connect to the rear titanium muffler, which has two flap actuators that open or close to quiet or enhance the exhaust note. The multi-tube air filter is what feeds air into the two massive turbochargers. Located in the back of the car, it is designed to maximize surface area, increase airflow, and reduce packaging size. To cool down the compressed air from the turbochargers, the GT2 RS has two massive air-to-air intercoolers located at the rear bumper. The two side air ducts feed cold air into the intercoolers, and the hot air is vented out the rear bumper outlets. The intercooler air duct is optimized to allow for 27% more air to the intercooler compared to the Turbo S. These intercoolers are 15% larger compared to the Turbo S and are now in a new position that optimizes throttling and airflow. Specific to only the GT2 RS is a water vaporization system that houses a water tank in the front trunk and sprays water onto the surface of the intercoolers to reduce intake air temps up to 21 degrees Celsius, which overall improves the intercooler's efficiency by 20%. The 7-speed PDK has an improved GT shift strategy and GT-specific functionalities like race start. A lot of components for this transmission has been adopted from the 918 Spider's PDK. In order to slow down this powerful track weapon, the GT2 RS comes with carbon ceramic brakes with 410mm rotors at the front and 390mm rotors at the rear. The front uses a 6-piston caliper and the rear uses a 4-piston caliper. The front hood of the GT2 RS has 2 NACA ducts which are used for brake cooling. This not only cools the brakes but increases downforce without increasing drag. Drivability. For the suspension, the GT2 RS uses adjustable dome bearings and wheel bearings with twin clamping. There are adjustable upside-down aluminum lightweight dampers with helper springs which allow users to be able to fully adjust the suspension to their setup and corner balancing. All chassis links have ball joints. These improvements to the suspension components significantly increase the traction and stability of the car. The front axle spring rate is 100 newtons per millimeter and the rear axle has a spring rate of 160 newtons per millimeter. The Porsche active suspension management and rear axle steering have been set up for the racetrack. For ultimate traction, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires are used which allows for ultimate dry grip and improved wear and tear on the racetrack. The aerodynamics plays a big role in the overall performance of the GT2 RS. There are 2 different setups, one for the road and one for the track. Adjustments can be made on the rear wing uprights and at the front splitter. The road setup allows for 105 kilograms of downforce at the front and 207 kilograms at the rear with a total downforce of 312 kilograms at top speed. With the track setup, the front produces 145 kilograms and the rear produces 271 kilograms with a total of 416 kilograms of downforce at top speed. Here is some FEA static pressure analysis on the front splitter which is designed to handle up to 200 kilograms of downforce at Vmax. The front splitter is chassis mounted and it has 3 cables that mount to the chassis. To complete the aerodynamic package of this track car, the GT2 RS has a rear diffuser that utilizes flow-optimized fin design and air ducts to cool the exhaust headers. The underbody of the car has optimized NACA brake cooling, a front diffuser from the GT3 Cup car, enlarged air routing vanes, and a flush underbody. The inside of the GT2 RS is a special place to be in. It has GT2 RS logos and decorative stitching in red or silver color, carbon fiber trims, carbon fiber door entry sills with the GT2 RS logo, full carbon fiber bucket seats, and a Club Sport package that include a roll cage, 6-point racing harness, fire extinguisher, and an emergency switch. There you have it. All you need to know about the GT2 RS to get started with. Now if you have one, go out there and enjoy it.